Today I want to show you this camera flash right here. This is the Godox V1, a professional speed light designed for photographers who want powerful lighting, let's say, fast performances and reliable operation for both photos and event work. One of the first things you'll notice is its distinctive round flash head. Unlike traditional rectangular speed lights, the round design helps create a softer and more natural light to fall off, producing more pleasing results for portraits, wedding, events, and creative photography. The Godox V1 features a powerful rechargeable lithium battery that provides long shooting sessions and fast recycle times, allowing you to keep shooting videos without constantly changing batteries or waiting for the flash to recharge. Another major advance is the built-in 2.4 GHz wireless system, which allows for flash to work as both as transmitter and receiver within the Godox ecosystem. This makes it easy to create advanced off-camera sliding setups and control multiple flashes directly from the camera position. The flash also supports high-speed sync, giving photographers greater creative flexibility when shooting in bright condition or when using wide aperture to achieve a shallow depth of field. So if you're looking for a versatile, powerful, and easy-to-use flash for portrait, event, studio work, or everyday photography, then the Godox V1 definitely worth considering in my opinion, and also price per quality.